So I want to show you how to remove background noise from your video without a mic. If you don't have a mic and you are posting a video, whether you are talking about your product, whether you are posting a content, whether you are posting yourself, and you always have this background noise, you don't know how to solve it. I'm going to show you how to remove a background noise from your videos today to be clear, and you're going to get a good sound as well and enhanced audio. So just make sure you have your editing app available. Now this is what we need to do. To get this done, you want to download this app you see here now on your store. So if you are using an Android phone, you download the one you see on the screen now. So once you open this app, we are going to click on video, but before that, let's check the video I want to use first, so that you can be sure that this is fact. So these are the videos that I want to post. So I want to post this video and you can't hear what they are saying. So now you can listen to this particular video very well. You will see that the sound is not very smooth and clear, so I need to work on it. So now let's listen to it again. Your phone on loudspeaker. Here is how to fix. So you can see that the gen is disturbing my sound. So let's go. So now I want to work on that. So what I want to do is to come to video to MP3. So I'm going to click on this one and click on gallery, and then I'm going to search for the video I want to use. So which is it here? So now that I've seen the video, I'm going to select it. So that's what you're going to do. Once you select the video, click on next up here, up right here. So you're going to click on next. So once you click on it, it's going to come up. So the title of the video. So let's name the video something like let's say hearing aid, because of what I said on the video. So I'm going to use this. So you can name yours based on the title you want to give to the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on convert. So now it has been converted. Now I've gotten the audio. So once you have the audio, this is the audio. The audio have been extracted from that video. So now we have it on MP3 here. So the next thing we are going to do is very simple. You're going to click on these three dots here and save it by clicking share. So I'm going to save it to, I'm going to save as file, save to file. I always save it in this particular place here that says content. So I'm going to save, click on save. So that is it. I've saved it. So now the next thing we are going to do is very simple. Let's head up to our browser. So I'll go to my browser here, and then I'm going to open Adobe Podcast. Just click on the plus button, then type on it, Adobe Podcast. So you can see it has opened. Click on the first one, then sign up. You need to sign up. I already signed up before now. So once you are done signing up, you come scroll down, then click on start enhancing. This is it here. So now that you've selected start enhancing, the next thing you want to do is to click on choose file. So you're going to choose file. Now choose files, as you can see that. So I'm going to select that video based on the name I've given to it. So now you can see the video is supposed to be hearing aid. So that's it. I'm going to click on it. Now I'm also going to click on open. So once you click on it, you say open. So you wait few seconds for it to be done. This is going to remove all the background noise you are hearing on that video before I post it. So as you can see now, the enhancing is done. So you can see what you have to do is to click on download. Now I'm going to click on download, and it is downloading. Now you can see it is 7.2 MB, and I'm going to click on save. I'm going to save to file. So once it is done, this is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to go to my CapCut or InShot, any one of them you know how to use best. Let's use InShot for now. So you can use anyone you know how to use best. Just go click on video. So we want to add new video. So the video that we want to enhance is this particular one here. So once you're done, but before you do all this, make sure you are done with your video. You've compiled everything, you've done all the editing. Like you say, I'm done with my video already before I extracted the voice. So click on this next here. So here is the video. Now let's listen to the old voice again. If you're on a call with someone and you can't hear what they are saying, so you can see there are noise on the background of this video. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to mute, click on mute clip here to mute this particular audio. So as you can see, you can't hear anything anymore. So is either you do that, or you click on if you are not doing this, if you're not selecting this particular one here, you can just tap on the face, on the body of the video, and then look for audio volume, and then take it down to the end, and then say okay. So now if I click on it to play, the same thing. Now you can see that we can't hear anything anymore. So that's just the same. I just showed you 2 ways you can mute this first volume. So now the next thing we are going to do is, after muting this, now we are going to import the one that we enhanced. So to do that, we're going to click on audio. As you can see here, audio. So click on that audio. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on music. So click on music, click on imports. Now click on import again up here, click on import. Now I'll go to files. So go to your file. So now we are going to look for the audio that we enhanced. So hearing aid is the title. So as you can see it here, hearing aid. So I'm going to click on it, and they're asking us to import it. Save imported files as music. Yes, say okay. So this is it here, hearing aid. I'm going to click on it again and use it. And you can't hear. So now I click on use. Now you can see it has been imported, and if you go to the end to the video, now you can see the audio have been imported here. So if I click on it now, let's listen carefully to this. If you're on a call with someone and you can't hear what they are saying unless you put your phone, no noise, no background sound, very clear, very audible. So once you save, click on save. Now you can do your export with 4K, and then we go ahead to save. So once I'm done saving this, that's all I have to do is to post it. So don't forget to like and share this video. Other people might need it. Make sure you share so that you can help them. Let me know in the comment section if it works for you. Follow me for more tips like this, because I'll be dropping a whole lot more like this, and I'll see you on the next one.